smartphones recording everything. So all these devices everywhere, doorbell ringers and all, are recording everything we do each day, and that information is then used to create what you call the metaverse. Metadata. All the metadata is created. Another world, another plane of existence that other beings, other potentiality beings from the void can enter into these vessels when they find the like frequency. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, so say the world in which we currently reside, if some group or entity was to capture
the world as the physical manifestation of the unseen.
If the entity of this world, if an entity, a corporation,
there are many perceptions that occupy a single physical realm.
I think I'm trying to go somewhere here. If they were able,
seems to be some technical issue.